The only thing I was really representing was a bad hairdo and a weirdly colored fanny pack to go along with my outfit.
And he's definitely wearing the muscle shirt. He wanted to represent the great state of Ohio. I don't know why, because he's always claiming he's cold. So, but that morning he decided to come out and show off the guns.
Yeah, and I was cold, but it was worth it to see the look on the other pilgrim's face when I stepped out of that freaking hotel. They had their coat. I mean, you can see in the videos and the pictures. It's so funny.
Good times. Well, man, good morning.
Good morning.
Where are we heading?
I'm not sure.
Arzua.
Arzua, that's right. 17-mile hike today.
17-mile hike today.
Dai, non passa nada. No, 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 no. Ahora no sé si poña esta casa por ahí, mira. No hay nada. Bueno, pues poco a poco. Tania taccio il mio, ho potuto più che la Tania per
I want to go do what she's doing. That water is ice cold. She's got her feet in it. All right, speaking of feet, let's see that right ankle of yours there, Bob, man. What you got on there?
Duct tape.
Duct tape. All right. You know he might be a military brat when duct tape fixes everything,
Yeah.
to include sore ankles.
More than sore.
Yeah.
I could probably twist it off right now. Unscrew it, maybe screw in a new one.
We
A
are
light bulb.
at 26 kilometers right now, so it's a good thing. 26 kilometers is a lot of walking. We've got a total of 29 today, so
A long day.
long day. It's a little warm. I'm going to get that water. All right, video off.
Hey, so I want to speak on this photo because you only get to see this one photo, and you don't know how long I had to be up there as Dad fumbled and struggled to get the phone out of his fanny pack. And this ended up being a full-blown workout, so bask in this picture's glory just a little bit for me.
We are in Arzua at Casa do Zucario, and I rented an apartment for Alex and I. It's pretty nice, so sorry about that. For some reason I continue to put my finger in front of the camera. Clearly not the professional videographer, but doing the best I can. All right, this is the apartment. Casa de Zucaria. And what is this? Like a dining room?
Yep.
Hey!
Dining room.
Wow, man.
Hey.
We got TV. Have you found Wi-Fi yet?
No.
Oh.
There's no Wi-Fi.
What? That could be a problem. All right, but that's a nice little area there. Wow, look at that kitchen stove, I think. There's a stove there, microwave. I'm sure there's a refrigerator here somewhere. All right. You're getting to see the place at the same time I am. Bathroom down here. Looks like Alex has already got his shirt off and nice shower. All right, go up the stairs. It took us what, 6.5, 7 hours to get here. So nice once you get here to finally be able to unpack your backpack. So I'm claiming this room. There's the big backpack, getting heavier by the day. Good thing this hike's almost over. This is a nice little bedroom. Because I snore, Alex will get his own bed and room as well. Actually, I don't snore, but that's what Alex likes to say I do. So, good stuff. It's called sleep apnea. I think that's a 30% VA disability rating, so some goodness in it. All right. And then the upstairs bathroom, which has a tub. And let me tell you, if you do the hiking that we've been doing, I've taken more baths in the last month than I have in the last 5 years, easily. So, all right, there you have it. Living large in Spain.
Hey, so it really boils down to not wanting to be on your feet, especially when you can feel your heartbeat in both of your throbbing feet after like a 7-8 hour hike. So that's why baths are so nice. And you know, I'm not a bath person at all, but it just, it's a game changer, especially because you want to lay down in bed and you don't want to do that when you're all sweaty and dirty. So that's why baths are so important over here for Dad and I, at least.
So this is our photo of the day, and it's pretty funny because we hiked behind these guys for quite a while, and then they just decided, to hell with this, we're not walking another step.
Yeah, and they were going to be out of luck because it's 3 of them trying to get a hitchhike, which I think the odds go down increasingly as you, exponentially as you add one more person to a hitchhike squad.
It's one thing to have one sweaty person that stinks in
Yeah.
your car, but 3?
Yeah.
No thanks.
It was really motivating to walk by them.
Because we felt the same way. We
did.
we weren't
just
gonna
like,
hitchhike.
Okay.
Right
yeah.
on.
All right. Peace out and stay tuned for some of the last days here.
Exactly. Thanks for watching.